Hi everyone, it's James Stroud here from Lizards on the Loose. Today I'm going to show you how to submit an observation on the iNaturalist app on a phone and how to contribute that observation to our Lizards on the Loose project. So today the iNaturalist app I'm going to use is on an Android system. I assume the Apple one is very similar. And so here I am just looking at anoles in Florida because that's what I like to do in my spare time. And we'll first start our new observation. So if we press the menu in the top left-hand section of the screen, we have My Profile, which is at the top. We have Explore and Projects and Guides, and then all the way down the bottom, we have New Observation. So if you select that new observation, it will then give you the option of either taking a photo in the app, or you can choose photos that you've taken already. So if you take photos while you're out looking for lizards just on your camera on the phone, then you can upload them at a later date using exactly the same system. Right now I'm going to show you how you can take a photo on the app. So in the middle, select Take Photo, and it will open your camera. And because I'm in my office in St. Louis and not in Florida, I don't have any lizards nearby, but I'll be able to take a photo of this poster, which is right behind my desk. And so we'll take a photo now. It captured it, and then we'll press the tick to continue. And so now this is preparing our photo. On this submission page, there's a few details which you'll need to fill out. So first, we see the photo, and then right below that, what did you see? So we're going to click on that. And as it loads up, iNaturalist itself is going to give you some automated options for what they think your observation is. And so here we can see that the iNaturalist computer very cleverly identified this as a brown anole, which it is. But we'll search. So if you click on species search and then type brown anole, this is just another way of doing it. And so we're going to select brown anole here, and you can type any species you want in. We'll select brown anole. It will take you to the brown anole page just to double check. You can look through the photos. So these are confirmed brown anole identifications. So you can look through them and check that they are similar to the lizard that you saw. And if you're confident, then you can press select. So now you've identified the species of your observation. The next stage we have notes, and then our date and time, and then very importantly, the next one is location. Now location is automatically applied by the iNaturalist app when you submit your observation. And this is really, really, really important for us because it allows us to connect your photograph to exactly where you took it. And so it gives us this amazing data set for our research project that allows us to map where the different species are throughout Miami. And this year, you guys are going to tell us what environments these different lizards are using. Are they using natural trees, or are they on walls, or on rocks? And how does that differ among species? And so below the location data, you're going to see it says location visibility open. It's very important that that stays open because that lets us see the location of your observation. Second, you have the opportunity to say if the lizard is captive or cultivated. None of the observations that you submit for Lizards on the Loose should be of captive lizards. So captive means a lizard that's in a zoo or in a pet shop, for example. Anywhere in the wild is not captive, and we want only wild lizards. And then lastly, add to projects. So if you click add to projects, it will come up with all of the projects that you have joined either in the past or are currently a member of. And so we'll select the second one down, which is Lizards on the Loose 2022. And you'll see here, because the main priority, the objective of our project this year is to discover what sorts of habitat types these different anoles are using, something we call perches. If you click on the natural, you'll see there's two options. Either a natural perch, so like a tree trunk or a branch or a leaf or the ground or a rock, or a human-made perch. So a wall or a metal post or a wooden fence post or bricks or anything like that. And so the lizard we took a photograph on was on a branch, so we'll select natural. And in the top right, we'll select the tick. So that takes us all the way back. And we'll just double check that everything here is filled out. We have the photograph, we have the species identification, we have the location, and we have the projects. So now we'll select the green tick at the bottom. And so that's our observation submitted, and we can double check that by going to the top left to your profile where it says 12 observations. Press that. And we can see now that the observation we've just done is preparing and it's waiting to upload. So as soon as that is successfully uploaded, your observation is successfully submitted and you've contributed to the project. And so thank you once again for being our most famous and hardest working lizard scientists in South Florida.